Hello guys, today we will see ordered list in the HTML with practically implementation. So you can see I have written the code and now let's see how it works. First of all, I will write the OL tag where O stands for order and L stands for list. So I will close the ordered list, okay. And now to create the list items, okay, to edit the list items, we have the li tag, right? So I will simply write here li and we will take our fruit example, okay. So let's say apple. I will copy it and paste it 3 times, okay. And banana, grapes, and last one is the mango. So you can see this is the our ordered list, okay, and we have 4 list items, okay. So now let's see what we get the output here. You can see we get the our output with the our numberings, okay. You can see 1.apple, 2.banana, 3 grapes, okay. So this is how the ordered list works in the HTML, okay. You can see, and one other thing, I can add anything here, okay. Let I make another one. Let's say li. I want to write here h1 tag. This is h1 tag, okay. I have written this statement, okay. I will paste it 2 times. I will add p tag here instead of h1, and I will add p tag here. I will also change p, and here I will take bold, okay. So it is the bold, and I will create b tag here also, okay. So this is how you can see h1 here, then p tag, and then this is the bold, okay. Our if you know this, then it is the our formatting of text, okay. So let's see what we get the output here. You can see this is the our h1 tag, this is the our p tag, and this is the our bold tag, okay. You can see it is the bold one, but here we have written in the p tag also, but it is here bold because we have bold it using the b tag, okay. So this is how the order list works in the HTML. You can put anything here. If you want to put the any link, means anchor tag, then you can also put, or if you want to put the image also, img src jpg, okay. This will also work, okay. You can see our image is there, okay. So this is how it works in the HTML. I hope guys you understand it properly, but still if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next time.